Making questions, part 3. I like to visit a museum. Do I like to visit the museum? He wants to have a cup of coffee. Does he want to have a cup of coffee? She has a beautiful garden. Does she have a beautiful garden? The dog likes to go to the park. Does the dog like to go to the park? You have a meeting at 2 p.m. Do you have a meeting at 2 p.m.? We have a big family. Do we have a big family? The students like to participate. Do the students like to participate? Thanks for watching. Follow me for more.